Hey everyone, want to upgrade to ElevenLabs Pro? The Pro plan unlocks more monthly credits, additional custom voice slots, higher usage limits, commercial features, and advanced AI tools for creators and businesses. In this full guide, I'll show you how to upgrade to ElevenLabs Pro in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account. Once you're on the dashboard, click your profile icon and open the subscription page to view your current plan and available upgrade options. Next, review the available subscription plans. Compare the included monthly credits, custom voice slots, commercial rights, and available features to confirm that the Pro plan matches your needs before upgrading. Click Upgrade or Manage Subscription, then choose the Pro plan. You can usually select either monthly or annual billing before confirming your purchase. Now enter or confirm your payment information and complete the checkout process. Once your payment is successful, your Pro subscription becomes active immediately and a new billing cycle begins. After upgrading, return to your dashboard and confirm that your account now shows the Pro plan. You'll also see your updated credit allowance and any additional features included with your subscription. With your Pro subscription active, you can begin creating larger projects, generating more AI audio, building additional custom voices, and taking advantage of the higher usage limits available on your plan. Explore the dashboard to make the most of your new features. For the best experience, monitor your monthly credit usage, keep your payment information up to date, and choose annual billing if it better fits your long-term workflow. If you upgrade before your current billing period ends, any unused credits from your existing plan are added to your new credit quota, and your billing cycle resets. And that's how to upgrade to ElevenLabs Pro in 2026. With a Pro subscription, you'll have access to more credits, expanded AI voice features, and additional tools for creating professional audio content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.